stopping. Grow tobacco, especially used for the lady. Waving the basket with the local in Cambodia. And then you see the line here. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Cambodia by cycling. Today is a cycling trip from Siem City to amazing temple called Beng Mealea. It's a less touristy temple surrounded by dense jungle. The journey itself, while provide a challenging, provide beautiful scenery, large paddy and palm tree. It chance to escape the crowd of Angkor Wat and enjoy intimate exploration of the ruin. We also go to explore Koulen Mountain National Park. Over there, we will cycling up this mountain that 500 elevation and then enjoy waterfall at the top. And the distance of this cycling, it is 83 kilometers that we need a pro rider to do it.
Slow down, slow down. Very slow down. Slow down, slow down. We're stopping here.
In the village, in the rural area, you can see a lot of buildings like this. Every village have it. We call a village spiritual house.
Okay.
Every year, 2 times a year, we have a village celebration. First in May, it is to celebration to pray to the spirit who look after our village to give us enough rain and then brings prosperity and harmony to the villager. And then also again in January, it is to celebrate to Thanksgiving to the spirit who give us enough rice, enough fish to the village.
Okay.
And then before, like 100 years ago, when the people that moving by the ox cart, they can stay in this place. Mean that a rest home.
I see. Okay.
Because the ox cart we cannot move off so fast.
Yeah.
So if they say that, oh, okay, 7 p.m. already, they can come here to stay. And then generally in this place, before the villager always provide a jar with the water inside it. So the people can use the water to drink or to take a bath. Okay. And then the next day they can continue their place. But nowadays, more of our people, we just do a village celebration.
I see.
Yeah. So today we cycling 2 strong rider from Switzerland.
Yeah.
Before I use a normal bike, now I also use an e-bike. Stopping. So here it is a palm wine station.
Okay, you can park the bike. Yeah. So here it is a palm tree. And then this is the Cambodian national tree. We can use every part of it. A trunk of a tree, we can build a hole. And then also we can build a brick. The leaf of the tree, we can make a roof or a wall of our home. And the fruit, we can eat fresh or we can cook as a sweet. Especially the mostly used, it is the juice. The juice, we can drink it fresh. It is very sweet. We can produce a palm sugar.
Oh, yeah, we know.
20 liter of palm juice can produce about 4 kilograms of palm sugar.
Only, okay.
And then we also can produce a palm wine.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah. And then for this palm tree, we can get the palm juice in the dry season only. It means that start from November until April.
Uh-huh.
And when the rain falls, no, we not take a juice anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. And then to get benefit from this tree, we need to patient, like teach our children. Grow it for 20 years.
20 years. Wow.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then to collect a palm juice from the palm tree, the farmer will install a bamboo ladder. You see, it's small like this, but it can hold you for 80 kilograms to go up to collect. And then they collect 2 times a day. In the morning, 7 a.m., they go up and then collect the juice. And then in the late afternoon again, about 4 p.m.
Okay.
And then during the French colonial time, for the farmer who collect the palm juice, they don't have ID and they don't need to pay tax. And then also, during the sadness time in Cambodia, during Khmer Rouge, many people from the city, they get injured or die because they don't know how to tie the bamboo to the palm tree and they don't know how to climb up the palm tree to collect the palm juice. Yes.
But they had to do it. They were forced to do it.
Do it. Everyone cannot say no, like you see in Touristy, the Genocide Museum.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look me. So for the palm juice, we need to keep in the cold because if we not keep it cold, at 12 it become palm juice. Yeah, alcohol. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So first we taste with the palm. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice, but very sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So for the water lily, more than beauty, our people also can eat the stem of the water lily.
We had them before closed.
Hello. To raising a water buffalo, we need to find a place have a water like this. Because the water buffalo very easy to get a problem with the heat because they have very black skin. So the black skin it is make the heat inside very quick. But for the skinny cow, no problem. They can stay long time on the under the heat. Yeah. Catching fish and waving the basket. Like for this family, they also waving the basket. And then here it is the tobacco.
Tobacco.
Yes. And then here just a little bit crow tobacco, especially used for the lady, chew it as a chewing gum. Yeah, put in the mouth.
Chew it,
Yeah. And then it's sometimes that we know experienced it before. If you do it, you feel dizzy because it's strong. And then the night, when they cut not good, they come here for night sharpener. Yeah, sharpener. They put the water. Yeah. This is the rattan, and this rattan very thorny. To cut it from the bush, from the forest, you need a right skill, and then you need to wear a glove. Even though it will cut a lot in your finger. And then when we cut it, we bring it here. We need to clean, like him do here. Yeah. So we clean it. Yeah. And then we waving it. And then for waving it, we not dry it. If we dry it and we wave it, it will broken.
sheep.
Yeah. Now experience waving the basket with the local in Cambodia.
And now? Wow.
Yeah. Tên ba con ấy. Very sandy road. Sandy. Okay, here, very sandy. Wow, very smart, Marian. Stopping to the eastern part of Cambodia. Like I go to Beng Mealea, especially Wat Phu. Nowadays, Wat Phu is in Laos. So that's why when we cycling along this road, you will see a bridge like this. And nowadays, it become a lottery bridge for the local people to scratch on it to get some number to buy a lottery. And then the And then many local bread that here it is from the manioc.
Oh, it's from the manioc.
Yeah.
I see.
Only at the international hotel that they have a bread from wheat. Because wheat we need to import, bring from abroad.
And how does it taste?
នៅតែប្រមាណគូគាអស់ហើយឬមួយនៅឡើយអស់ហើយឬមួយនៅឡើយឲ្យលោកគ្រូអាចារ្យអើយប្រាប់អ្នកអង្គលេងផងហើយគ្រូអាចារ្យអើយគ្រូអើយប្រាប់អ្នកលេងផងឥឡូវ
Hello. When you see the rice field in the line like this, it means that they harvest by ranking machine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do we see it?
You see the line on the rice field like that. So not the people go to cut. They hire the machine. Because nowadays they don't have enough labor to cut the rice. So that's why they hire. Yeah. Turn left, slow down. So now we are in the one hidden temple that we call Banteay Ampil. Banteay is mean citadel. Ampil is tamarind.
Tamarind.
Yeah. So in this area, maybe long time ago, it used to be have a lot of tamarind tree. So that's why they call this temple Banteay Ampil.
Is there a tamarind?
No. Tamarind, it is a local fruit that I like we see in the market.
Yeah.
And then give us
Oh,
a
can
sour
eat
taste. Yes. And then we can take it, make a lot of ingredients, especially in our brick. We also make a tamarind as a stucco, to put one brick to other brick.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like it's so tiny.
And this temple,
Like
it was
cement.
it was built in 12th century by King Suryavarman II, dedicated to God Vishnu in Hinduism. Yeah. And this temple, you can see a lot of tree growing over it because it just left in the jungle. It abandoned it until the French colonial time. They have been do some research, and then they go in the jungle again. And then in 1980, a big stolen a lot of statues from here. Yeah. and start from 1992, the UNESCO start to protect it.
Okay. Wow, was pretty.
Yeah. Mind your step, please. For this temple, original name we call Beng Mealea. Beng Mealea is means little house. And later on, the people start to call Beng Mealea. Beng it is this tree. Yeah. Because of this tree, that's why nowadays most of the people that write is Beng Mealea by this tree. And some local here they still call Beng Mealea as usual. Yeah. And then Beng it is like a Cambodia rosewood, very value tree. It is stay outside of the park. The people will cut it to sell.
Okay.
Yeah. And then also this temple, it was built in 12th century. The same king as built Angkor Wat, King Surya Varman II, and dedicated to God Vishnu in Hinduism, the protector. Yeah. And then this temple also very big, so that's why many archaeologists and explorers, they always say that the ultimate Indiana Jones on this temple. And then this temple only fully clear all the mine in 2011.
Okay.
So here one of the Naga head that's still in the good shape. So here, soft tree. So that's why their root can go everywhere inside of the temple. And then at Taprum temple that we going to see tomorrow, like more than 10 trees that growing on the rooftop of the temple.
And they found this temple before Angkor Wat or about the same time?
Angkor Wat, the people live and take care all the time. But for this temple, sometimes it's completely abandoned. It looks connected from the people.
Okay.
So you can see it. Okay, mind your step, please. And then you see the line here. It used to be a wooden ceiling because in our temple we always have a ceiling from wooden. Yeah.
Yeah.